Welcome. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to disable the confirm before sending option in the Gmail app. If you're tired of that extra confirmation pop-up every time you hit send, this guide will help you turn it off in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to adjust, especially if you manage more than one Gmail account on your device. Next, tap the menu icon in the top left corner of your screen. That's the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Now, scroll down through the menu until you see the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and tap on it. From here, select General Settings. This section controls the main behavior of your Gmail app, including things like swipe actions, conversation view, and of course, confirmation prompts. Once you're inside General Settings, scroll down until you reach the section called Action Confirmations. Under this category, you'll find several checkboxes that let you control what Gmail asks you to confirm before doing. You'll see one labeled Confirm before sending. If that box is checked, Gmail will always pop up a message asking if you're sure before sending an email. To disable that, simply toggle it off. Just tap the box once to remove the check mark. That's it, the confirmation step is now turned off. From now on, when you press send, your emails will go out instantly without asking for extra confirmation. It's a small change, but it can save time, especially if you send a lot of emails or prefer a faster workflow. And there you have it. That's how to disable confirm before sending in the Gmail app. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe for more updated Gmail and app tutorials.